Have you ever wondered who first studied magnets and helped us understand how they work?
Wait, magnets have a history? I thought they just stuck to the fridge.
Oh yes, today we're learning what are magnets and how do they work, and we'll follow the life of a scientist named William Gilbert. And Maxine? There's a surprising secret about his work. Wait until you hear what happened later.
Oh, I love a mystery. So, who was he?
William Gilbert was born in England in 1544. As a kid, he loved learning, just like you. He studied hard in school and later became a doctor. But he was also super curious about magnet science for kids.
A doctor and a magnet explorer? That's like being a superhero with two powers.
Exactly, but things weren't easy. Back then, people didn't really understand how magnets worked. Many believed strange ideas that weren't true.
Like what?
Some thought magnets had magic powers. Gilbert wanted real answers. He showed perseverance and curiosity. He tested ideas again and again to understand magnetic force explained in a real way.
So he didn't give up?
Never. And here's where things get interesting. The most surprising part is still coming.
You're really making me wait.
Gilbert studied lodestones, which are natural magnets. He asked questions like, how do magnets work? And what makes magnets attract or repel objects?
Attract means pull together, and repel means push away, right?
Exactly. Opposites attract, like best friends sitting together at lunch. But same poles repel, like two kids trying to sit in the same chair.
Hey, that happened to me yesterday.
See? Science is everywhere. Gilbert discovered that Earth itself acts like a giant magnet. This helped explain how compasses work.
Wait, Earth is a magnet? That's huge!
Yes, this discovery changed everything in science experiments with magnets and navigation. Sailors could travel safely using compasses.
That's amazing! But what about the mystery?
We're getting closer. Gilbert wrote a book called De Magnete, which means on the magnet. It became very important in learning magnets explained for kids and adults.
So he was famous?
Very. He even became the personal doctor to Queen Elizabeth I. That's a big honor.
Wow, from curious kid to royal doctor and magnet expert.
And still, he kept asking questions. He showed creativity and courage by challenging wrong ideas. That's a big lesson for anyone learning what is magnetism.
I like that. Keep asking questions, even if it's hard.
Exactly. And here's another hint. The big inspiring fact is coming soon.
I'm ready.
Because of Gilbert's work, we understand magnetic field for kids learning today. Magnets have invisible fields around them that cause attraction or repulsion.
Invisible? Like a secret force field?
Yes, like a superhero shield you can't see. That's why magnets can pull metal without touching it.
That is so cool!
Now here's the big reveal. William Gilbert is called the father of electricity and magnetism. His ideas helped scientists for hundreds of years after him.
Wait, that means everything we know about magnets started with him?
That's right. His curiosity and hard work built the foundation for modern science. He proved that asking questions can change the world.
That's inspiring. I want to be like that.
And you can be, whether you're learning magnets explained for kids or doing your own science experiments with magnets. Curiosity is your superpower.
I'm definitely trying magnet experiments after this.
That's the spirit. Remember, learning what are magnets and how do they work helps us understand the world better.
And maybe discover something new too.